Hi, I'm Sharona. Welcome to the Web3 Chase. We do in-depth reviews on up-and-coming projects in the Web 3.0 space. We do the chasing so you don't have to. We also have how-to videos to help you get started and for when you're well on your way. We ask you to hit the subscribe and ring the bell so you're always ahead of the pack. So let's get started. Today's video, we will be setting up a MetaMask wallet on laptop. Open the MetaMask wallet on my laptop. These are the steps I'm going to follow. I've opened my web browser. Supported browsers are Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and Brave. I'm on Chrome. Okay, so I'm going to go to the official MetaMask website. Make sure you are on the official MetaMask website. .io. Okay, so I'm going to see the download button up here on the top. I'm going to click on that to install the MetaMask extension. And if I'm brand new to MetaMask, I'm going to take the time to just scroll down the pages. Okay, do that if you're brand new. Here I am, install MetaMask for Chrome. Okay, I'm going to add to Chrome. Again, there's information here. Feel free to read through. It's adding the extension. It's been added. Okay, now a simple, easy way to come back here next time and all the other next times is come up here to the top right corner on my address bar, and I'm going to see this little puzzle piece. When you hover over it, says extensions. Click on that to open it. You'll see MetaMask here. Come to the right where it says pin, click that, and now the little fox head is up here on my toolbar, and I can come quickly and easily any other time that I want to come back. Close that. Let's get started. This guy is fun to follow. I agree to the MetaMask terms of use. Again, if you're brand new, feel free to click on that and check everything out. You have two options here. You can create a new wallet or you can import an existing wallet. Today, we're going to create a new wallet, brand new to MetaMask, need a MetaMask. If you have an existing wallet elsewhere, say you have Trust Wallet elsewhere, you have Exodus elsewhere, and now you want to sync to a MetaMask wallet, you can click on Import an Existing Wallet and bring your 12 seed words, seed phrases with you and open a new wallet. I'll do a quick video another time to show you how to do that. But today we're going to create a new wallet. Okay, again, read all this. It's always best. Do your own research. I agree. And now I'm going to create a password. Be sure to have a piece of paper ready. You are going to be writing down your 12 seed words, your seed phrases, your 12 words. You'll hear them called different things. They are the most secret thing that you ever will have. So have your paper and pen ready to write them down. Also, write down your password. Have it be something that you can readily input when you come to MetaMask. You cannot reset your MetaMask password. You will see MetaMask cannot recover it. There's no, I forgot my password, and get an email and change it. Very important. Let's go ahead and create a password. Take a minute and write it down. I understand MetaMask cannot recover this password for me. Very important to know. You would have to reset a new wallet. Create a new wallet. Now, I highly recommend that you watch this quick video when you are in here yourself. It's 1:35. It gives you some quick tips on your secret recovery phrase, also known as your 12 words, your seed phrase, and how to keep your wallet safe. Please watch that. We're going to secure my wallet. Write down your secret recovery phrase, write down this 12-word secret recovery phrase, and save it in a place you trust and only you can access. Save in Password Manager, in a safety deposit box. Write down and store in multiple secret places. You may need those 12 words at another time. If you get a new phone, a new laptop, you will need those 12 words. However, if anybody ever asks you for those 12 words, you do not repeat, do not give them to anybody. MetaMask will never ask for them. If you get DM'd, messaged, emailed saying, oh, please do this migration, I need your 12 words to get you through this, ignore and run. This is a test account I am setting up. I am going to reveal these secret words just so that you have the best way to get through this setting up your new. This is not going to be a valid account when I'm done and over. So I just want to show you what you're going to see here. So these are the 12 words. I'm going to take 5 seconds and I'm going to write them down. I have written down my 12 words in the order that they come in. You do not make up your own 12 words, and the order is very important. Also recommended that you will see in that little video is that you don't screenshot them and keep them on your computer. Security is number one. Now we're going to confirm the secret recovery phrase. They're giving me 3 blanks, so I need to go to my list, fill in the ones that are taken out. This is to make sure you did write them down. You know that, right? Confirm. I have successfully created a wallet. Keep my secret words safe and secret. It is your responsibility. MetaMask won't be able to recover your phrase. They won't ask you for your phrase, and never share your phrase with anybody. Now we've got it. My MetaMask install is complete. So we did pin on the browser, but they're showing us here how to do that, the pin MetaMask. Next. We've got that right here. If you didn't do that earlier, do it now. It's so much easier to just click on. And then they just give you some general information. This is what it looks like. It does default to the Ethereum mainnet. There are other networks that you can select. I'll show you those right now because chances are you'll be working with more than just Ethereum. The other networks that you might have to use, here is a selection of them. I would say that the main ones that you will be using are BNB chain, formerly known as the Binance Smart Chain. So we're going to add that right now. It gives you here all that information, and you just need to click approve. Switch to BNB chain. You'll see up here, it switches very quickly for you. Now, I also want to add the Polygon network. Matic is the native token for Polygon. You may very well need to use that at some point in time. And we can switch to Polygon and read these little bits of information. Knowledge is power. So I now have Ethereum, BNB chain, and Polygon. Linea is another default network that you may use at some point. As your future in crypto expands, you may need other networks. So here are some others. But until you need these, I would just stick with Ethereum, Polygon, and Binance Smart Chain. But there they are. I'm going to go back to Ethereum. Just going to point out a few things to you here. Here is your wallet address, and you will see when you switch to BNB chain, it's the same. And you'll get used to knowing the last 3-4 numbers of your wallet address, and always know to look for that to make sure you're using the right wallet. You can add other wallets here if you have need for that. But for starters, stick with account 1. You can name it if you like. Go to account details. And this little pencil right here beside account 1 will allow you to call it whatever you like. And then you just click the check mark and it will change it to the name that you gave it. Another good tip to know is you will never, ever, please never try and copy or write out this whole 12, 18, 24, 36 digits. Always copy and paste. These 2 little boxes here will copy to clipboard. Just click on them. You'll see it says copied. When you're in the BNB chain, BNB is the native token and it will default to this. Just like in Ethereum, it defaults to this. And in Polygon, it will default to Matic. Those are the native tokens in those networks. These are other options you have in your MetaMask wallet. This is to buy and sell, to send, swap, bridge, and will open to a portfolio where you can see the value and summary of your tokens and other just information that MetaMask offers you. Look for videos to follow on each of these functions. Now, here you will see whatever native token of the network that you are in. Here it's Matic. I don't have anything here yet. You will be able to import tokens as you proceed in your crypto journey. You will get involved with other projects to add a token to the chain that you're in. You will get the token contract address from CoinMarket and add them here. That is how to add a MetaMask wallet to your laptop. It is basically the same if you're going to choose to do it on a mobile device. Mobile device is either a phone or a tablet. So I hope that helps you in setting up your wallet. And if you have any questions, you can put those in the comments. You can also come back and watch it again. I encourage you to watch this in full and then come back and pause and start and pause and start while you are setting up your own. So thank you. Have a great day from the Web3 Chase, and we'll see you on the next video. All the best.